Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to create an Upwork account. So before starting the process, let me clear two things. For creating Upwork account, you need an email address, like the Gmail account. And if you have your email address, then you can create Upwork account simply by just clicking on sign up. So if you have, then move to the second point. The second point is, open your PC browser, and before logging into Upwork, make sure your email address login in your PC browser. Because if your email address will be logged into your PC, then you will face no issue when you will sign up your Google account into Upwork. First, make sure these two things, after this right here. Upwork.com. So here is the official site of Upwork. Tap on this one. And here are the options. Get started, before tapping on this one. Here are the option log in and sign up. So I am tapping on sign up. Because I will create my Upwork account with my Google account, therefore I'm tapping on sign up. So here are the two things on Upwork. If you are a client and want to buy services from Upwork, means you want a freelancer from Upwork, like a software designer, then you need to join by this. I am a client, but if you are a freelancer and want to provide your services to others, like you will edit a video for other people, then you need to join by this. I am a freelancer. Accept this. So for me, I will join as a client. But if you are a freelancer, then you need to join by this one. After this, tap on this option, join as a client. So here are two things, join with Apple account or join with Google. I will create my Upwork account with my Gmail account. So that's why I'm tapping on this, to continue with Google account. So now it's signing in into my Gmail account. As I told you, my Gmail is already signing in my PC browser. So here is my Gmail, I'm tapping on this one. So it starts signing in. I'm correcting this, here is my first name. And I will paste my second name here. So here is my country name. You can also change this by tapping on this one, but my country name is the same, so I don't need to change this one. And also tap on the second option. Yes, I understand and agree. Then tap on this option, create my account. So as you see, my Upwork account as a client has been created successfully. Now, if I want to post a job, simply I need to tap on this option, post a job, and then I will write the requirement for my job, and I can hire freelancers from here. So it was a basic way by which you can create your Upwork account. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.